me. Because me pause the cussing, you know, see? You know, ask yourself, oh, Blinga, me no see Blinga cussing.
Why she never send dirt? I should never cash out that said you dirt the 30,000.
Listen to me. You see, you are Maka, I don't business with you now. You hear me? Come on, chat, I'm push up his school. And Rosealee, as a matter of fact, Rosealee, you have to go it to because remember, she's supposed to send Derek. Derek is our partner, our singing partner, so she can send Derek anything she wants. Yeah. We just realize, we just remember chat. Maka and Derek the song.
Yeah, send Derek inside 17 rose shot.
17 roses, people.
Well, I'm not Blinga man coming on one shout, you know. What day when she got blood clot? What the place him again? Canada, but she never carry him. 10 more person in the road.
Derek have papers for God Canada. Let's be civilized here.
She can't give it from promoter. Or she want to go and get all of the glory.
No, all right, let me tell you this. No, listen. Listen. The promoter them now book Derek for come perform in case you never know. Yeah, that's why. And a serious thing, me tell you no joke thing this. Me serious now. No promoter no want Derek for come
pan this. Canada. He would have stayed for Canada. He would have stayed for Canada.
You're not understanding. Me say the promoter.
That's Canada.
Rosealee, you now listen. Rosealee, you see the promoter now book Derek to come pan the stage. Because he is from the diverse community.
He's a dirty Batman and one beard.
I know Maka and Derek can't perform the song together no way, no, because the promoter them no want Derek on the stage. So Topsy, so make me tell you how it go.
Not Canada, Canada the home of fish.
Yeah, nah, listen. But
no,
the promoter no fish. The promoter no fish.
Not Canada.
All right, you now understand. Left that alone. Me understand what you're saying, no goodie. But you see, the promoter will put on the party, Rosealee, a straight man. Him don't want Derek, huh?
I'm going to drive in that same plane.
And all right, why Derek can't perform the song out of Jamaica? You see anybody about Maka if make Derek come perform the song out there? No, because everybody has said Derek Maka should do the song with Derek. You understand? Why? And then no.
And a Derek turn Maka back in a smarty.
Hold on. A next thing. Thank you. Jamaican promoters not hiring Derek, Rosealee.
Why?
Guys, you not tell her no, me can't buy every day in a Rosealee. Leave me alone now, man. Sure. Because them bias and them are wicked and because he's gay.
So all them the higher Perry.
Because then the same thing I said the other day because you see Perry is a high class gay.
So gay have class nowadays?
Yes, different levels. Because if I did Macadam and Perry do the song, everybody that hired them for